Section 1. What are SaaS unit economics and why do they matter? So the definition of unit economics is this. It's just the financial breakdown of your lifetime relationship with one individual customer. So what does this tell us? Fundamentally, this tells us if we make money on our relationship with each customer, how much money do we make, and when do we make the money? When do we break even on that relationship, for example? So for each customer, we need to break down our revenue, direct costs, marketing costs, total profit on both a monthly basis and over the entire lifetime of each customer. So why does this matter? So of course, if you aren't making money on each individual customer, you don't have a viable business. So for example, if you invest a certain amount of money in marketing, say $1,000, you need to be making multiples of that $1,000 back on the relationship with the customer over some period of time. So the ratio of lifetime profit divided by marketing, the customer lifetime duration, and the payback period are essential metrics for operating SaaS startups and attracting SaaS investors. Section 2, the components of SaaS unit economics. So just remember that whenever you're thinking about unit economics, it's just any metric broken down, but it has to be on a per customer basis. So let's walk through some of the most important metrics that we think about when we're doing unit economics analysis. So first we have our average monthly revenue per customer. Then you'd have your average monthly gross profit per customer. So just how much is the profit that you make from that revenue. So you'd subtract all your direct costs. Then you have your average length of a customer lifetime. Usually we measure this in months. So you could say it's a 40-month customer lifetime on average for a certain SaaS product. Then you have your average lifetime revenue. So this is just your monthly revenue times the number of months that you typically have in your customer lifetime. Then you have your average lifetime gross profit. So again, your monthly gross profit times the number of months in the customer lifetime. And this represents how much profit you make off your lifetime relationship with each individual customer. And this is also known as your customer lifetime value or your LTV. Next, you have your average sales and marketing costs that you invest to acquire one new customer. This is also known as your customer acquisition cost or your CAC. Next, you have your LTV to CAC ratio. So this is how many multiples of your CAC do you make back in profit on each individual customer. And then finally, your CAC payback period. So how long does it take to break even on your relationship with one customer? So these are the main important pieces of unit economics for SaaS.